Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making Radscorpian on Croute. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for to make next in the comments below. We're going to start out by prepping. We're going to start by chopping 2 green onions, both the white and green parts. Then we're going to finely dice 2 medium shallots. And finally, we're going to roughly chop 1 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts. Now, you want to get 1 pound chicken breast tenders, pounded thin and cut into 12 pieces. I just had chicken breasts, and I accidentally only cut them into 11 pieces because I did my math wrong. I forgot how math worked for a second, so I ended up having to cut one of the even pieces into half-size pieces, which is unfortunate, but well. Now, you're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to grab a large saucepan or skillet over medium heat and melt a tablespoon of butter. Then, you're going to add in your shallots and green onions and cook until fragrant, about 5 minutes. Then, you're going to add the artichoke hearts and cook until warmed through another about 5 minutes. Now, in a medium bowl, you're going to combine the artichoke mixture with 8 ounces of cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese. Now back to your chicken breasts. You're going to sprinkle them with a teaspoon of ground fennel and a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. And you just lightly season all of them. Now you're going to want to grab 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry, thawed, rolled out, and cut into 12 equal pieces. I had 4 blocks of puff pastry that I cut into thirds and flattened, and then you're going to put on your puff pastry, you're going to put chicken strip topped with your artichoke cheese mixture, and then you're going to roll up and put vertical in a muffin tin, and repeat until all 12 are made. Then you place them in your preheated oven for about 50 minutes until they're golden brown, and then you take them out and let them set and let them rest for 10 minutes before serving. These were so good. They were a little hard to eat. I tried to eat them with a fork and knife. I would recommend just picking them up and chomping them in with your hands, because they did not cut very easily. But it does not matter how you eat it, as long as you eat it, because these are so good. It's just phenomenal. 10 out of 10. Definitely make this for yourself.